No, tell me now. This is something really worrying me now. Okay, on one hand, you're saying that you had to wear Khalistani
Yeah,
dresses, uniforms
everyone,
in
you
your
can ask,
school,
you can
and
ask
and
anyone.
and not only that, Hindu women were raped. There are so many accounts of that in hundreds. They used to go in bikes and they would go to any village and rape any woman at will. In fact, Kushwant Singh, who's a Sikh himself, who was a Sikh himself, has also written, and you have mentioned in your book about this. He says many Hindu temples were desecrated and innocent Hindus and Sikhs killed in cold blood. It was obvious that the terrorist ranks had been infiltrated by Pakistani agents, smugglers, etc., etc. The police were rarely able to identify or arrest the culprits. In fact, he goes on and he says, no Akali leader condemned these senseless killings in the language they deserved to be condemned, nor had the courage to denounce Bhindranwale. Means
Now,
Hindu
now,
temples were being, second, Hindu temples were destroyed. Hindu girls had to wear Khalistani this thing. Women were raped at will. All this and Hindu massacre in some 20, 30,000 odd numbers. Those people were killed. You have written in your book that buses were stopped, people were pulled out and shot at gunpoint. All this has happened, and everybody talks about Sikh massacre. Why nobody talks about Hindu massacre in Punjab? And why nobody talks that Bhindranwale is a cold-blooded murderer, rapist, and a terrorist? Why everybody is saying that he's a sant, and no politician of today's time has guts to even speak anything against Bhindranwale? You tell me, what is your experience?
see, that's the entire idea. You have summarized the reason for me to write the book. As I said, it was all about pouring out my emotions, my feelings, that why this. For example, I still till date I have not come to terms with one thing, that everyone talks about Blue Star operation, that Mrs. Indira Gandhi should not have sent the army. um, you know, they killed her in revenge for her sending the army to the holy shrine of Sikhs. My only question which has been there since ages to my Sikh brothers and sisters, that okay, if they feel that by sending the army the holy shrine got desecrated, okay, what were their feelings when militants were sitting inside the holy site? Was the holy site not desecrated that time when Bhindranwala was using Golden Temple, the holy site of Sikhs, not just Sikhs? Golden Temple is as dear to Hindus also. You know, I whenever I visit to Amritsar, I make it a point to visit Golden Temple. So it is as dear to Hindus also. So
Hey, Hindus travel from Mumbai and Chennai to go to Golden Temple.
yeah,
I
I
go,
mean,
I go there every second year, with my friends. Yeah.
as I said, हमारा DNA सेम है. There's no difference between Sikhs and Hindu. We are same. You know, कोई difference ही नहीं है. But the
Hmm.
point is this, कि when you say that by sending the army, the particular holy site got desecrated, okay, point taken. But why you didn't feel the same when militants were sitting inside? They were using that holy site to, attack on civilians. They were using that site as a storage for their weapons. There were trucks which were going inside. No one was stopping the trucks full of weapons, the weapons which were coming from Pakistan. Vivek,
Hmm.
uh, and I'm saying this with utmost honesty, that had this incident happened, and God forbid, something like this ever happens, where militants, or I mean, militants, terrorists, or anyone uses our Hindu shrine, be it Ma Vaishno Devi shrine, or Kashi Vishwanath, God forbid, any shrine. We have so many of our holy shrines. I am sure you will agree with me that all of us, and I am saying on behalf of Hindus, that all of us will request the government to take the necessary steps, send in the army. Don't worry about the temple. Send in the army, flush out the militants, because they are the enemies of the nation. We will not bring in our religion there. I can
True.
say it with utmost honesty, that I will be the first one to say this, to request to the government that don't think that Hindus will feel insulted, or don't think that Hindus will take out any revenge on you. We want you to send the army and do the needful. And this has been my feeling since Blue Star operation happened. So as a child also, I used to feel exactly this way कि अरे भाई आर्मी भेजी देश बचाने के लिए. अगर अगर आर्मी ना भेजी होती तो भिंडरावाला was about to declare Punjab as a Khalistan on that in that particular week. That was the reason government of India had to do what it did.